Hey guys, Alex here. Why start an Amazon business? What's the real reason why you get into it? Is it really just to, buy products online and sell them online, right? What's the end result? It obviously isn't there to just because you want to start an Amazon business. It's there because you want to make money. You want the lifestyle. And it's not just making money as well, guys. It's actually about the lifestyle, getting into that because of the lifestyle. Because let me tell you one thing, all right? If I locked you in a room and I said, here is $1 million, right? If money is your only motivator, here's $1 million, you can't leave this room, right? Would you want that money? Okay, you can never leave the room, right? The answer is probably no, right? You would only be stuck in the room with $1 million and not be able to use it or buy it or spend it, right? So it's the lifestyle that $1 million gives you. And that's why I think a lot of people get into online business and creating a side business is because of the lifestyle. Let me tell you, finding great products, importing from China, and on top of that, starting an Amazon business does give you that awesome lifestyle. You can essentially run this business anywhere in the world. If you have an internet connection and a laptop, you can actually run this business anywhere in the world. You don't have to even have a mobile phone these days. Back in my days when I used to import from China, you needed a mobile phone because you had to call up suppliers and you had to call up your clients and sell them products and all that. Well, you don't need that with Amazon because Amazon does all that for you. They stock, they store your products, they ship and they pack it, they send it out to your clients, they give you the bill at the end of the month, obviously. But your time is spent finding on Alibaba, on these websites out there, and Alibaba is just one website, by the way, but you're out there constantly finding new products that you can stock or better improving your existing product. Guys, hope you have an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed today's video. My name's Alex. Check out my website if you want to find out more info on getting started with your Amazon business. Have an awesome day. See you later.